What is leadership? There are many different answers to this question. Most answer this question by telling what leadership symbolises to them, descriptive, or what leadership should symbolise, according to them, prescriptive. Many answers to this question are lofty, philosophical, often in keeping with the irrational, but strong tendency to glorify leadership. Such statements do not explain what leadership really is. In this clip we address this topic sensibly, sticking to the meat and potatoes of this topic. Leadership is neither an ability, nor a power, and definitely not a phenomenon or any other silly designation. Leadership can derive from certain powers even without possessing specific abilities. Just as friendship and kinship, leadership is a relationship. Leadership is a relationship between one who purposely and deliberately gives directives and one or more who purposely and deliberately behave to follow those directives. In other words, leadership is a relationship between one who intentionally leads and one or more who are being led. And that's all it is.